This is the home of the Shylock, the merchant of Venice. He was a Jewish man. This is an object lesson to the Igbo fools and idiots who are building their palaces in Kanu, in Maiduguri, in Lagos, in Abuja, that this building here was built by a Hebrew, a Jewish man, Shylock, of the Shakespeare fame, Merchant of Venice. This is his home. We are here in Padova. I'm Nnamdi Kanu, of course, and these are our people that brought me to this place. We came, Radio Biafra is in, we are here in Italy, touring Italy, and over there, all the houses you can see, we are built by Jews. Here, if you go there today, you will see no Jewish person there. It's all been taken from them. This is the home of the man that there was so much jealousy against this man in Europe that they decided to write. Shakespeare himself wrote The Merchant of Venice. If you look here, that is the canal. Right across where the cyclist is going is the canal that used to bring in his wares, his merchandise, all the way from the city of Venice that is just down the road from there. So what we're going to do is to attempt to go in. We are going to remind our people that it's necessary for our people to be prudent with their sense. This here, as I said, was built by one man alone. Inside is a huge expanse of property and woodland and everything, built by a Jewish man. But the Jewish man and the family, they're not here today. The same thing will happen to all Igbo people who are stupid enough to build their houses in Lagos and in Abuja. The same thing will happen to you. This is gone. It's not in Israel. It's here in Venice, between Padova there and Venice over there. You have this built by somebody that came and thought was doing the right thing. Now it's been taken over. You can see the Italian flag and also the EU flag. It doesn't belong to him anymore, nor the family. And European flag and Italian flag doesn't belong to everyone. Let's go in and see. We'll go in and see what is happening. We'll go in and see. Look at the column. The man had a lot of money. A lot of money was spent on the law. You can see the column. Come closer. It's been taken over now by, I think it's the Ministry of Cultural Affairs. Is that correct? Yes. That's what I mean. Ministry of Cultural Affairs. My Italian is not very good, but that's what it is. Villa Nazionale Pisani is a museum now. Yes. It's been taken from the family that owns it. The Shylock man you heard about or read about in Merchant of Venice of Shakespeare. This is it. I don't know if there's any entrance. Does that mean entrance? Is that what it's saying? Entrance? Or the museum? Which one is it? Prego. Posso guardare? Sì, sì. C'è l'entrata, sicuramente biglietteria in fondo a destra. So, thank you. Thank you very much. Is it the military now? So, we have a ticket. Very wealthy man. Very wealthy man. Where do we get a ticket from? Come this way. You can see the Merchant of Venice. These are the very powerful columns. We are in, what's the name of this place again? It's Shylock. I mean the city we're in. Venice. It's Venice, isn't it? Yeah, Venice. It's part of Venice, yes. But it's close to Padova. These are the terracotta. This is done here, of course, and some of them is carved out of raw stone. Yeah, it's stone. It's limestone that was carved into this. Yeah? Impressive. Impressive. And that is the courtyard. Quite magnificent. Magnificent courtyard, not built in Jerusalem, in Tel Aviv, in Ashdod, in Nazareth. It's built here and the family is not here anymore. The same thing will happen to Igbo people. The same thing will happen to you.